how to unmute someone on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to unmute someone on Instagram. Here is a step-by-step guide. Launch the Instagram app on your device. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to navigate to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines menu. In the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Muted Accounts directly under the Who Can See Your Content section. Tap on it. In the list of muted accounts, locate the person you want to unmute and tap on Unmute. Toggle off the options for posts, stories, and any other categories that are muted. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted someone on Instagram. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that you won't miss any updates from the people you care about. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one.